Hello class 7 students. Today I'm going to start another chapter, that is chapter number 7, The Bridge Builder. So this is a poem which is written by Will Allen Dromgoole. So let's start. So here three stanza, the poem is in three stanza. So stanza number 1, an old man going alone highway came at the evening cold and grey. To a chasm vast and deep and wide, the old man crossed in the twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fear for him, but he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So here, the poem begin by telling us about a pilgrim. Pilgrim means traveler, okay, who was traveling alone on a highway. So soon it was evening and the weather was cold, so it is given come at the evening cold and grey means it is evening time. Okay, soon it was evening and the weather was cold. So the poet also described the evening as grey. So evening means grey means evening, which could mean cloudy or late evening time when the sun just set at it dawn time. Okay, so at that time the old man crossed in a twilight dim. So at that time, that kind of time, evening time, is called twilight. Okay, so at that time he came to a chasm. Chasm means a gap in the earth's surface. Okay, so chasm was deep and vast and wide. So old man, he was able to cross. He was able to cross the chasm even it was a twilight time, as he was an experienced traveler. Okay, he was experienced traveler, and he may also passed or crossed the chasm many times before. But he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. So even though he had crossed it, even though he had crossed the chasm, but again he stopped, he turned back, and he built a bridge across it. Okay, he can cross the chasm even in the twilight time, even in the evening time. Okay, but he tried to build a bridge on the chasm. Next stanza. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, you are wasting your strength and building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build this bridge at evening tide? So, what does the second stanza mean? So, when the pilgrim, he was busy with his work, that is making bridge, at a time a fellow pilgrim, he reached there. And then after the fellow pilgrim, he asked the old man, okay, that why he was wasting his time and strength in building the bridge which he had already crossed. Okay, then he also tell the old man that he is very old and he may not be able to leave to pass this way again. So why he should build the bridge here again? Okay, so this was the question asked to him by a fellow pilgrim. The builder, third stanza, the builder lifted his old grey head. Good friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followed after me today a youth whose feet must pass this way. This chasm that has been as naught to me, to that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight dim. Good friend, I am building the bridge for him. So the pilgrim, he answered his fellow pilgrim. He answered very well. He had given a very good answer to the fellow pilgrim. So when he said like that, then the pilgrim, he stopped his work and he lifted his old grey head to answer the fellow pilgrim. So what did he answer? He said that my friend, good friend, that while he was traveling, he saw a young person. Okay, he saw a young person. He also followed the same path. Okay, means he is also going to come to cross the chasm. So the pilgrim, the old man, he said that youth will soon reach this chasm. Soon he will reach this chasm, and soon he will try to cross this chasm in the dim twilight, and he may not be able to judge, or he not be able to know the depth of the chasm, and as he is an inexperienced youth, okay, inexperienced youth, so he may fall to his death. So that is why he was building the bridge for him. So why the old man he was building the bridge for, building the bridge, he was building the bridge for the youth who was following him, so soon he will also cross the chasm. So as the old pilgrim, he was an experienced person, so he know how depth, or how deep, or how wide the chasm is, and how to cross the chasm. But the young pilgrim, the pilgrim who is following him, he may not know. He is an inexperienced man. So he may die. He may fall in the chasm and he may die. So for him, he was making the bridge. So this is all about the bridge builder. I hope you understood this poem. Thank you.